Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this special looking wear. This is the A-Line-On men's summer pants. Cotton is the fabric. It is lightweight. It's a casual pants with drawstring, pockets, and a loose fit design. These are comfortable beach pants in black, beige, dark blue, green, or khaki. You can get them in the size M, L, extra large, extra large, or triple extra large. The shown pants are extra large. We enjoy a comfortable wearing comfort with these men's pants, made of high quality brassable cotton. It has the texture of a linen, perfect for hot days. It combines the softness of cotton with the maximum air circulation. This is ideal for roundhouse kick as well. And it's nice for the light summer. It's a good pants for holidays and everyday life, so you can have them for chill and relaxed time at home. This pants with elastic band offers a casual cut with elastic drawstring waistband. The lightweight summer trousers with elastic band guarantees a perfect fit and restricted freedom of movement and exceptional wearing comfort for the whole day. Whatever as a relaxed beach pants for men, the practical travel pants for the plan, or airy leisure pants for men, these pants are our reliable companion. Two spatial side pockets offer the practical storage space for a mobile phone and as well as the keys or wallet. We combine the men's pants long summer with a t-shirt for a relaxed city look, or with a shirt for a stylish holiday look. The modern loose fit makes them a fashionable must-have for every wardrobe. And this wear stands for high quality workmanship and a durable quality. We can choose our favorite color from the 5 colors which are available: black, khaki, green, dark blue, and beige. And we can choose the perfect size from M to 3XL. And of course, it's good for fashion. It's also good for sports. Whether on a beach holiday, for outdoor sports, or relaxing at home, this will be your perfect summer companion for the ultimate comfort. We have Eleanor pants, beach pants, some pants for us. Easy peasy, baby, and nice looking. Chill and relax or have a good time for sport, for activities, and for leisure as well. These are the Elainone men's summer pants, made out of cotton, lightweight casual pants for everyday use. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel, or maybe on the beach, and then on my channel too. Yeah. Sun.